Somewhere in space, there's a planet where rain can kill you instantly. The planet is called HD 189733b. It looks beautiful from far away, deep blue like Earth. But this world is a nightmare. Winds move at over 5,000 miles per hour. And instead of water, it rains molten glass sideways across the planet. Scientists believe the temperature there reaches over 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. No human could survive even a second. But the strangest part is this. Somewhere in the universe right now, storms of burning glass are happening in complete silence.